Hello, beautiful. Welcome to today's video. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to dive deep into something that I know a lot of us struggle with at some point. The belief that we need someone else to complete us. I get it. I really do. It's so easy to think that happiness and fulfillment can only come when we have that one person by our side, right? Society tells us that we need a partner to feel whole, that love should fill us up, that we can't truly be happy unless we have someone to share our life with, right? But here's the reality. You are already whole, queen. You are already complete just as you are. So, in this video, I'm going to share why you don't need someone to complete you, how this belief can hold you back, and most importantly, how you can start cultivating happiness and fulfillment within yourself. So go ahead and grab a notebook, settle in, and let's have this heart to heart. All right, let's talk about this belief that we need someone to complete us. It's so common in our culture, right? Yes. Movies, songs, books, they all paint this picture of finding that one person who will fill the empty spaces in our lives. We're told that true love means someone else is the missing piece of our puzzle. But here's the truth, queen. You've been complete all along. You are a whole, amazing person, and you don't need someone else to give you permission or purpose or fill you up. Now, I'm not saying that having a partner is wrong or that love isn't important. Of course it is. But the key to healthy love is that it adds to your life. It doesn't define it. When you're already whole, complete as an individual, a partner complements your life. They don't make you who you are. Think about it. When we're consistently looking for someone else to complete us, we're relying on external validation to feel worthy. But true worth comes from within. Self-love and self-respect should be the foundation of everything, including our relationships. Now, I know that's easier said than done, especially if you've been in situations where you felt incomplete or rejected. But the work starts within. Healing starts within. And once you start loving yourself, the right relationship will naturally come your way. Yes. So let's dig into why this belief that you need someone to complete you can actually hold you back in relationships and your life. When we're operating from this belief, we're essentially saying that we're not enough on our own. And that can create a lot of negative patterns in relationships. For one, you might settle for less than what you deserve just because you're afraid of being alone. You might stay in a relationship that doesn't align with your values just because you don't feel complete without them. And that, my love, is dangerous. When you're constantly seeking someone to complete you, you're allowing someone else to define your worth. You're allowing them to have too much control over how you feel about yourself. But here's the real kicker. When you don't feel whole by yourself, you end up attracting unhealthy relationships. People who can't offer you the love, the care, and respect that you deserve. Think about it. When you don't love yourself fully, when you don't trust your worth, how can you expect someone else to see that, right? And treat you as the treasure you are. So the first step to finding a partner who truly compliments you is to first become whole on your own. And I know it's not easy. It's not about being perfect. It's about accepting who you are and knowing you're enough, no matter what. Now let's talk about how you can start cultivating happiness and fulfillment within yourself. Start with loving yourself deeply. Make it a practice to affirm your worth daily, to treat yourself with respect, and to set boundaries that protect your peace. It all starts with how you treat yourself. Heal from past relationships. If you've been through heartbreak or emotional pain, healing is crucial, queen. You cannot build a strong foundation for healthy love until you've healed from past wounds. Forgive yourself. Let go of the past and embrace your future. Know what makes you happy. Get clear on what that is, what lights you up, what makes you feel alive. Create a life that is fulfilling on your own, not relying on someone else. When you're living your best life, that's when the right kind of love will come naturally. So be open to receiving. Once you start loving yourself, you'll begin to attract the kind of love that complements your life. Do not settle for less than you deserve. Only accept what aligns with your worth. Remember, Queen, happiness is an inside job, and you are more than capable of creating the life you deserve with or without a partner. Now, I want to invite you to take the next step in your healing journey. I know this isn't easy, Queen, but you don't have to do it alone. I promise you. So let me ask you a question. Okay? Are you ready to break free from toxic relationship patterns and heal from past heartbreak? If you are, I have created an amazing free guide to help you spot and steer clear of toxic relationships once and for all. Plus, when you grab your free guide, you'll get exclusive access to my 3-day workshop, 3 Steps to Healing After Heartbreak, Breaking Generational Cycles. All right? So in this workshop, you'll learn how to heal from past emotional wounds, break free from toxic relationship patterns, and build unshakable self-love and confidence. This workshop is free for a limited time, but only for those who sign up now. Don't miss your chance to finally take control of your life and attract the healthy, loving relationships you deserve. So go ahead and click the link in my bio or in the description to grab your free guide and join the workshop waiting list now. Let's heal, let's break cycles, and create the love life you always wanted. All right, there you go, Queen. I love you, love you, love you. And like I always say, love you first. Bye-bye.